Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone! Let me introduce myself. My name is Mei Listiawati, but you can call me Sister Mei. So, how are you today? Good. Okay, thank you. Does anyone know what we will study today? Okay, so in this video I will teach you about review text. So, pay attention, okay? Before we go into the material, I will tell you what we will discuss. So, what we will discuss is the definition of review text, the purpose of review text, generic structure, example of review text, and how to analyze review text. So, pay attention please, okay? What is review text? Review text is an evaluation of publication, such as movie, video game, musical composition, book, a piece of hardware like car, home appliances, computer, or even art performance, such as live music concert, a play, musical theater, show, or a dance show. Jadi, apa sih text review itu? Text review adalah sebuah teks yang menjelaskan tentang evaluasi ataupun kritik pada sebuah karya. For example, music, film, book, musical composition, video game, benda seperti mobil, komputer, atau acara pertunjukan seperti konser, live music, drama, pertunjukan teater musikal, right? Bisa juga berupa barang-barang yang disukai like a skincare or miniatur. We move to the purpose of the review text. So, the purpose of the review text atau bagian dari teks ini adalah to criticize or review about an artwork for the listener or the readers about movies, shows, musical composition, book, and extract. Let's move on to the generic structure of the text. Susunan paragraf dari text review ini, or generic structure of the text, is the first, orientation or introduction. Dalam orientation atau introduction ini adalah sebuah preview atau pengenalan yang berisi nama benda, nama karya, kegunaan benda atau karya, dan sebagainya. But it is the opening, the introduction, atau pengenalan dari barang-barang atau benda yang akan kita review. The second is evaluation. In this evaluation, the writer or the reviewer to give judgment, opinion, or statement. Jadi, bagian evaluation ini menjelaskan gambaran detail tentang barang yang direview, contohnya keunikan, kelebihan, kekurangan, dan lain sebagainya. The third is interpretation. It is a summary of an artwork including character and plot. Jadi, dalam bagian interpretation ini, penulis atau pereview memberikan pandangannya terhadap sebuah benda atau karya. And the last is summary. It is the last opinion consisting the appraisal and the punchline of work that is being criticized. Jadi, dalam bagian summary ini, penulis memberikan review atau closing statement terhadap barang atau benda atau karya yang akan direview. We move to the language features of the text, atau kaidah bahasa yang digunakan dalam teks ini. The first, focus on specific participants. Jadi, fokus terhadap satu benda atau karya yang akan direview. The second, using adjectives. So, what is adjective? Yes, right, kata sifat. Because it's describe, yakni mendeskripsikan benda atau barang and artwork yang akan direview. The third, using long and complex clause. Di sini biasanya menggunakan kalimat yang agak panjang. And the fourth, using metaphor atau menggunakan metafora atau peribahasa dalam bahasa Indonesia. Let's move on to the example of review text. So, this is the example of the review text. Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince movie review. So, this is the review of the movie. For the introduction, let's see together. The first paragraph is introduction. All in each Harry Potter series, both movie and book hold a particular part in my heart. Jadi, ini adalah sebuah perkenalan dari movie yang direview atau film yang direview. And continue with evaluation. Most likely unsatisfying for those who read the book. Penulis menyampaikan bahwa kurang begitu puas dengan film Harry Potter dibandingkan dengan bukunya. On the second evaluation, it is a dark time for Harry. It's like a cup of hot cocoa on your cold morning, but your cat breaks the cup. Nah, dalam kalimat ini menggunakan metafora atau majas metafora. Seperti meminum hot cocoa atau coklat panas di pagimu yang dingin, tapi kemudian kucingmu itu memecahkan gelasnya. Nah, maksudnya di sini adalah kecewa. Kekecewaan itu tergambar dengan perumpamaan majas metafora itu tadi. Alright? And the third is interpretation. So, this is the opinion of the writer about this movie based on the movie of course. Harry Potter books have been a hit and been more potent since the Warner Bros. Decided to bring it to life through a movie. One or two change from the text in the film is undeniable. We all know Harry has to feel one more loss on the last movie because Bellatrix killed his godfather. Sirius Black after they talk about lives together and then to really save village far from anywhere. Sure, it's like a thunder strikes on the midday for Harry. It's like a thunder strikes on the midday for Harry, seperti seolah-olah petir di siang hari itu juga menggunakan majas metafora. Many have hope that everything has been true will paint on the Half-Blood Prince and extra. Nah, jadi di bagian ini dijelaskan tentang plot atau alur cerita dari film Harry Potter. And the last is summary. The writer said that nevertheless, this is an excellent movie to watch and of course worth your time. Nah, bagian summary ini menjelaskan bahwa walaupun tadi yang disampaikan ketidakpuasannya pada film ini, tapi film ini tetap excellent movie atau film yang excellent and worth to watch atau film yang masih sangat worth it untuk ditonton.
Okay students, now it's time for you to practice. Activity 1. After you read the review text, find a different text and identify the structure of text. Activity 2. Answers. This questions, the purpose of review text is A. To give information, B. To entertain, C. To criticize. Yes, right, C. To criticize. Which one is a generic structure of the review text? A. Interpretation, B. Complication, C. Resolution. Good. A. Interpretation. Which are the language features of the review text? A. Using adjective, B. Summary, C. Complication. Excellent. A. Using adjective. C. That wasn't that hard, was it? I know you can. Now it's time for us to say goodbye. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next video.